Hello and namaste, welcome to Nepstop. Today, we will see how you can register your business and become a vendor on Nepstop.com. To become a seller on Nepstop.com, all you need is a device that connects to the internet. Okay, now let's see how you can register your business and become a vendor on Nepstop.com. First of all, open up your browser and go to Nepstop.com. After the site is loaded, you can search for seller registration on the main menu bar of the site, or you can scroll down and find the advertisement banner for vendor registration, then click on the Register Now button. After clicking on Register Now, the membership plan page will be loaded. Here, you can choose your plan according to your business requirements. From the free plan to the platinum membership plan, you can examine the various plans and their features to determine which one is best for you and your company. After selecting the best plan for you, scroll down and click on the Subscribe Now button of the membership plan you'd like to join. For my business, I am going to choose the most popular plan, which is the Silver membership plan. Then you will be redirected to the registration form where you need to fill out your business details. Then enter your email address to verify your email and press the send code. Then, at your registered email address, you will receive a PIN code. To verify, enter the code in the box below. Then fill in the other details. Create a strong password for your vendor account in the password box. After you've completed all of the fields, check the Terms and Conditions box. Then click on the Register Now button below. Then you will be redirected to the checkout page, where you must enter your personal information such as your name and address. After filling up all the details, you can choose your payment method to successfully purchase your membership plan on Nepstop.com. I'm going to use PhonePe QR payment for this purchase. Then, after clicking Place Order, the Nepstop PhonePe QR code will appear. Scan the QR code with your registered payment platform, then pay the amount listed below, 2,825 rupees only. Then click on the Continue button. After successfully paying the amount, take a screenshot of the successful transaction page on your device, then upload the screenshot to the pop-up above so that our team can verify that the amount was sent by you. Then click on the Checkout button after you've finished uploading your transaction screenshot image. Then you will be redirected to successfully registered page, and you will also receive an email regarding your membership purchase from Nepstop.com. Following the completion of your membership plan purchase, it may take our support team a few hours to verify the successful transaction of your purchase. After our team has verified the transaction, you will be notified via email regarding your successful registration at Nepstop.com. Then you can log into the vendor dashboard through the link in the email or through your login details. So this is how you can successfully register your business at Nepstop.com and start selling your products on Nepstop. Watch the next customization tutorial to learn more about how to customize your store and vendor dashboards. Happy selling on Nepstop. Nepstop.com, Nepal's one-stop online platform for all the wholesale products. Thank you.